Kendall, will you bring your baby brother the toy?
It's your baby brother.
Loopy, nice and gentle.
Gentle. Gentle. Gentle.
Say hi, Gavin.
Hi, baby brother.
Oh, careful.
Can you give him a kiss? Can you give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Who's that? What's that hair? Is that his hair? Can you give him a kiss? Give him a kiss like this. Go. Go. Give him a kiss. Kiss.
No kiss? Okay.
Gentle.
Give a kiss?
Give him a kiss. Kiss on the head. Go.
Okay, that's